Hi, good morning. Paul here. The Spaulding Team with Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Let's see what's going on with the Las Vegas real estate market. Last couple of days. Let's see what's new here. Okay, it looks like we have today, quite a few of them already in today, about 19. We have this townhome, 1122 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, built in 71. Okay. Oh, looks like it's been recently refurbished. Nice place, pool. Unity pool. We're on Jones. Let's get into the map. It's easier to see Charleston and Oakview. Okay, it's good for $145,000. Not too bad. Okay, let's see the most expensive one. Over on Fisher. 4,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage, pool, and spa for $990. Nice shot. Nice looking house. Lot of rock. I like this house. Nicely done. Huh. That. Good picture. Big closet. Big rooms. Pool and spa. Looks like it's quite a ways from the house. It is. Wow, why is it so far away? That's interesting. What is this? Laundry room. Everybody needs a laundry room like that. Big place here to fold the laundry. You can tell the rest of it's been upgraded. Wonder why they didn't upgrade this. It's all tile. What year was this built? 2000. Nice laundry room though. Grand Canyon and Fisher off Fort Apache. Oh, way up north. Okay. Alright. Look at that price point. Went up. Why would anybody do that? Anyway, okay. Here's a condo, 2-story, 912 square feet, built in 84. This was listed yesterday. Clean but pretty original. Okay. And that is Rancho and Jones. The north also. Okay. Let's go to a lot of listings yesterday. 100, 25, 50. Okay, 173 between yesterday and today so far. Over on Imperia, 1.4 million, 43.99 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage, pool and spa, 201 year built, Drinking fountain. That's pretty cool. Alright, where's Imperia? Grand Hills, Okan Eastern. Right here. Huh. Interesting, okay. Let's see what's under contract here. 586. Sold recently. Sold yesterday. It's out of the area. Los Feliz, 1034 unit, 117 condo, 1049 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Sunrise Bay. Gated community. Pretty nice. I wonder where this is. Huh. Nice unit. Clean. Way up in the east, northeast. Okay. Next one is over on Gulfstream, okay. 920,000. In the whatchamacallit, gated community over there in Spring Valley. Spanish Trails. Looks pretty dated. Paid $920 for it. 6,200 square feet. Yeah, this is a house. It's massive. 15,000 square feet. Built in 1990. Backs up the golf course there. 2 lots. I mean, it is a massive house. Right across the street. There's another massive house, 12,000 square feet. I'm not seeing that one. Wow. 8/10 of an acre. Is this one 8/10 of an acre also? Yep. Anything else in there? Spanish Trails. There's the condos over there, the townhomes I should say. $11,000 square feet. 1.6 acres. Sold in '97. $8.5 million they paid for this thing. Whoa! That is incredible. Anyway, that was fun. Okay, so yesterday's, got off on a little tangent there. We have a condo, 54,200, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 480 square feet. Pretty basic. Bars on the windows. Twain and Paradise. Up by the airport. University. Okay. 24th. I had quite a few properties close escrow yesterday. 221. Cactus Stream 1.375. Pretty vertical. Vertical and contemporary. Okay. No pool and no spa. Built last year. Huh. Down the street here. That's interesting. Okay. So let's do a little searchy poo. That. Whoops. And my script running there. Single family homes with pools. They're just not cranking out like they usually do. It's a little bit better. Let's see what we have on 2. We have 37. Very spotty. These houses should be 60 a day, easy. Got almost half that. A little over half that. Okay, well, 13:29, boy, long day. Okay, well, that's it for today. I will talk to you another day, and you have a good weekend. It is Friday, July 26, 2019.